If you cut a melon in half and fill it with soil, the seeds will grow on their own and you will have lots of melons. If you plant a piece of your plant in a banana, the banana will give all its energy and you will be able to have a new plant. If you plant a corn in a pot of soil and you water, the roots will develop and you will have corn at will. If you collect the seeds from your lemon, you can water them in a paper towel, put them in a jar, let it sit, and you can plant them for free lemons for the rest of your life. If you collect mushrooms, mix them with water, pour the mixture into favorable soil, and you will have twice as many mushrooms. If you soak peanuts in water for an hour and then let them dry for 3 days, you can plant them and never buy peanuts again for the rest of your life. If you put a chickpea inside a tea bag, after 5 days you can plant it and eat free humus. If you collect the pit of a mango, plant it and water it, you will be able to enjoy the best mangoes of your life. If you make a 1 centimeter hole in a tree and put a branch of a plant in it, after a while it will produce fruit. If you go to my account, subscribe and click on the organic link, then you can pick up my free 100% gardening guide.